So what we have here is a pin oak tree. As you can see here, it's actually trying to resprout. So we have what we call here suckers, okay, or shoots, okay? So we want to definitely remove these because we don't want those to be there because they're not doing anything for the tree itself. So I'm going to start by cutting this off, cutting it as close to the trunk of the tree as I possibly can. Okay, there you go. Make sure you're using sharp pruners when you're doing this. And I might have to come back and make sure I cut this one off as close to the trunk as I possibly can. Now, as I look at the overall health of the tree, I have some concerns. Of course, there's lichen growing on the tree, which is not necessarily a bad thing per se, but this may be a possible canker here. Look at that, and there's some flux or some ooze actually coming from this wound here. So again, I think that may be a canker, and I'm surprised that this tree, which is a pin oak, doesn't have bacterial leaf scorch, which is why we're telling folks not to plant these pin oaks anymore in this area. Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.